Coachy, Mario tell us say you dey call us.
How na dey?
Fine, sir.
Okay, sir.
Wait o, why una dey three? No be only you and Diaz I call.
Sorry, sir. Na me tell am say make him Coco follow me. Since I wan go show am where Hurricane dey host him seminar titled How to be a Useful Number 9 after we finish for here.
Okay, no problem. Hope say una dey prepare for our match against Chelsea tomorrow.
Coachy, we dey try our best o. You know say e no easy. The way wey Chelsea take dey form now. And especially if Kante and Jorginho follow play.
Wetin you mean by that nonsense? That tukul of a man don win us 3 consecutive times since when he come Chelsea. I no go tolerate anything other than win from una.
But Coachy, you know say all our midfield go dey occupied with only Kante. And you know say we no get number 9 wey go finish for us after we succeed pass Kante.
De Bruyne, na what for you? Why you go dey talk this kind thing in front of Gabriel Jesus? You know say him dey sensitive to this kind talk and you dey hurt him feelings.
No be my fault na. I gats clear Coachy wetin dey ground and na you carry am come. Him no suppose dey here.
See, I no send wetin dey on ground and who dey hurt anybody feelings. My own be say, if una no win that game for Stamford Bridge, make all of una no even wait for me. Just go tell una sef for ship anchor throw inside Atlantic Ocean. Because if I catch una, e go worse.
My people, now don't ever see where them go give you back your money to take bet for another game if your first bet no enter. Omo, dem dey do am for 1xBet inside the promo wey dem dey call no risk bet. If you wan follow for this kind promo and others wey dey like am, make you go register for 1xBet website with our promo code GNEXT so that you go get 200% of your first deposit to take bet. Read their rules and conditions for all their promos, sha, and no forget to bet with sense. Thank you.
Oga Sarri and Lampard, una welcome.
Thank you, Kobala.
Kobala!
Sir?
I think say for this year show, you suppose to invite other guests. Na only me and this man you dey see to invite.
No, sir. I been call Oga Javi, but him tell me say if I go ask anything wey go concern Baka, he no dey come. I also call other people, but them tell me say them dey busy.
Next time, if you wan call me, try make sure say you invite another person because I don tire to dey see this man first.
Now who is they call this man?
Inside me and you, I no come know who dey jobless. Every time, you go leave your boys to come do amebo for here. No wonder you no dey see match win na.
Hey ya, me and Mourinho don gree say we go sack that person wey dey clean seats for Stadio Olimpico. That guy no dey clean am well. No worry, if we sack am na you we go give the word.
Amadioha forget thunder for here, Osophagus, idiot.
Oga Lampard, West Ham don comot Man U for Carabao Cup. Wetin you think say make Man U lose that game?
I don dey talk am since. Say Ororo come back for Man U no mean anything. See the easiest cup wey Man U for fit carry. West Ham don comot dem already for their first match.
But Ororo no play the match.
E no mean. If dem no fit go far for ordinary Carabao Cup, na which cup dem wan come carry? Ororo go flop, Man U go go trophyless, and dem go sack Ole.
Na wow. Wetin Ololo and Man U do you na?
Dem no do me anything. I just dey analyze wetin dey on ground for una.
Okay,
Oga Sarri, Baka and Juve dey in a very poor form since when Messi and Ororo comot for the clubs. You feel say any hope dey for them this season?
it depend on the hope wey you mean. If na to carry any trophy or finish top 4, no hope there for them this season. But if na to survive the league to no go relegation, them get hope.
Why you think say them no get hope to finish for top 4?
Make una help me say more question no. Now you go carry them reach top 4? Back away they find money to take pay NEPA bill. They pay their players minimum wage. Them don't almost say everything where them get. If you check and where, them don't start to dey set their stadium small, seat by seat. I even hear say them they plan to start auctioning their fans one by one. Back na the new Arsenal for La Liga now. Juve own, na confusion that worry everybody wey dey there. Their confusion there so them think say table don't turn upside down. So them they strive to top the current table. Them been dey third last week, but now them dey 8th.
Oga Lampard, Chelsea go welcome Man City for Stamford Bridge on Saturday. With their current form, how you think say the match go go?
That match go tough, but I feel say Tuchel stinginess no go gree Man City see one goal score. And when Guardiola and him boys dey press to try score Chelsea, the reverse go happen. Chelsea go score one careless goal, win the game.
Now wow, this year thinking from Janos done too much Chelsea fans go hear am now, come think say na analytical thinking, but them no know say na ana thinking.
Sorry, which one be your own again?
So Janos forget to tell you say Guardiola dey try redeem himself and him boys after Tuchel win am 3 consecutive times last season. You no even talk draw, you say win. I just dey pity you and Chelsea fans.
I no just get your time.
Oga Sari, I know say this my next question na mumu question. But my viewers go like know wetin you think about the North London derby match on Sunday. Between...
Wait. Apart from Tottenham, them get another club for North London?
Yes, sir.
Which one? Abeg tell me. You know say plenty clubs dey that London. I fit don't forget.
Na Arsenal, sir.
Oh, no wonder you don't kuku tell me say na mumu question you wan ask. But anyway, since your viewers wan know wetin dey my mind, you see ba, na only Tottenham dey that North London currently, and loneliness wan kill them for there. Arsenal dey come out since the beginning of this season, but e be like say dem wan dey try wake up unto say dem don dey shake body small recently. So for this derby ba, dem fit try wake Arsenal up by allowing them to win. But if Tottenham dey too selfish and territorial, dem go kuku kill wetin remain for Arsenal body so that only them go occupy North London.
As you dey laugh, make you no forget to press that like button and share the video as e dey hot.
As wetin the hot.
I no get time for you.
Wait, where you dey go? You never tell the people wey never subscribe say make them subscribe oh. If your waka finish, shebi you go come meet me for Stadio Olimpico. We go kill ourselves for there. Momo man.